Let's do my makeup. So basically, we're going to be doing makeup based on the factor that you should look hot whenever you want. So we're starting with my foundation because my skin is already prepared for the makeup base. Okay, the base is like, as you can see, the base is already ready, and we're starting with foundation, for which I was using a foundation in the shade 128 and from the brand Maybelline Lumi Matte Foundation, which has a really good consistency that makes my base super dewy. As you know that my skin is super dry, so I had to use this foundation, and which matches my vibe, which matches my base, that looks so good and stunning. As you can see in the left out products, I'm using it on my eyelids and everything is mixed up. If you also have dry or combination skin, you can definitely try out this foundation. And the next up, we're going to be using a contour. So we'll be doing a nose contour on the cheeks and on the forehead. It doesn't have to be perfect, you just have to put it, and everything else will be blended with a brush, or you can use a sponge, whatever you want. It just should be blended out really nicely, and this is the most affordable contour you'll ever found. This is from the brand Inside Cosmetics. I will link every product in the description, and we're going to be mixing this with this brush on the upward direction, so that it gives that shadow like effect. Honestly, I'm not really perfect in contouring. I always try to do my best with contour, because in real life I hardly use contour, but on my makeup, makeup tutorials and everything, I use contour technique because it may really enhances your makeup. But let's see how the results. It doesn't have to be perfect, you just have to blend this out and everything will look good. So the contouring part is almost done, as you can see, and the left out contour product on your brush can definitely go around your eyelids so that it gives a really nice brown kind of effect, so you can use the left out. Then the next thing, we're going to be using a blush. You can use any kind of blush. I've been using this blush quite a long time, and it is really nice, like really nice, blendable, and it is from the brand, I think, Blue Heaven, and it is in this shade I'll mention. I can't remember right now, but the shade is really nice and gives you a really pinkish kind of glow and natural effect basically. So yeah, I really like this kind of blushes, and I want to try more and more blushes because I think I'm in love with blushes. More than blushes, I like glitters and highlighters, which gives sparkle shine. So I'm using this highlighter from the brand Swiss Beauty, and it gives a really pink kind of glittery look. You can also use it as an eyeshadow, it will work as well. So I'll be highlighting my nose area and my cheekbones so that it gives a really nice glowy and flushy look, which really attracts everybody. Now comes the part for concealing, for which I'm using this Mars concealer. It's from the brand Mars, plus the shade is Ivory. It is like more lighter kind of effect, it gives a more lightening effect, plus it really highlights your pointy area. So I'll be using it on nose, mouth and under the eyes, and we'll be blending it with a blender. So everything is blended out now, and we'll be using a powder. So I'm using a compact powder. You can also use a loose powder, for concealing it, but I'll be like picking with this compact powder only, because I want that flushy kind of shiny look. Okay, under the eyes and everything, wherever you have used the concealer, you will be picking it with this compact. And this compact is from the brand Lakme 95. Then after that, we'll be doing my eyes, for which I'm using this palette, and we'll be using any kind of brown or pinkish kind of eyeshadow. So I'll be using all over my eyelids just with this one brush and blending it out really nicely. For the liner, I'm using a brown eyeshadow. If you want, you can use it with a palette, but I have a brown eyeshadow in a different, it's kind of liner, so you can use it. It doesn't have to be perfect, you just smudge it out and point it out like a line. If you also don't know how to use a perfect or how to make a perfect wing liner, you can try out with a brush. Brush really makes your liner or any kind of eyeshadow, makes it more easier to use. So it gives you a really nice and some kind of messy. It doesn't have to be perfect. So yeah, the wings are ready. You can also use different colors. I'm using just brown. Okay, so now comes the lip products. So I'm lining with my lips with a Mars lip liner in the shade Cocoa Lip, I guess. So you just have to blend it out with your fingers for the natural kind of contour look on your lips, or contour kind of liner. So you can use this one, and after that we're going to be using a really nice brownish kind of lipstick. You just have to tap it. You don't have to like put it all together. Tapping makes it more natural kind of look, so I'm using this tapping method, so it gives brownish nude shade. As you can see, the shade looks so stunning, and I love this kind of shades. If you really like nude kind of colors, you can dab your lipstick around your lips and it will give the same effect as well. So for lashes, I'm not using any false lashes. I'm just applying some mascara in a good way so that it pops up. For my eyebrows, I'm just brushing them out. That's it. Not gonna use anything else. And the look is almost like complete. So this is the final look, guys.
It's a Coca-Cola. Hold on. No one no sleep and I swear to total. Throwing it back when I press rewind. Losing her mind when she sees.
Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video. Love you.